Welcome back. In the previous video, we created our view holder class, which is a custom view holder class holding the references to the views within the item layout. Also, we implemented these three methods when extending a recycler_view.adapter. So the onCreateViewHolder is responsible for creating new view holders for your items. You inflate the item layout XML and return an instance of your custom view holder class. OnBindViewHolder, this method binds the data from your dataset to the views within the view holder. It's called when a new item is scrolled onto the screen or when the contents of an item need to be updated. So I need to update the title dot set text item dot get item name. In the same way, I need to update the description dot set text item dot get item description. So this item is the model class instance. Holder dot image view dot set image resource item dot get image method. So I am binding the data from your data set to the views within the view holder. Holder dot views. These are the views of the view holder. Let's move to the last method, which is getItemCount. This method returns the total number of items in your data set. It tells the recycler view how many items it should display. And of course, in this case, I am using a list. So you can see item list. So simply I can use items list dot size. And here I'm telling the recycler view that I need to display items according to the list elements. Now, let's move to the main activity and bind all the three parts, the data set or the model class or the list or the data source with the adapter view, which is in our case a recycler view, using the bridge, which is the adapter. I'll start with the adapter view, recycler view. Alt plus enter to import the class, and you can see the recycler view is implemented from the widget package in Android X. I'll initialize it here, recycler view equal find view by id r.id.recyclerView. The second step is the data source. I'll create a list of item, which is the model class. Alt plus enter to import the package util from Java package that contains the list class, and I'll name it as item list. I'll initialize it here as an array list. And this is the polymorphism because array list implements the list. So array list is a list. I need to create objects of type item and add them to the list. So I'll start with item number one, I1, or item number one equal to new item. And in the constructor for the item, I need to pass image view and toString. So here, the item image r.drawable. I'll start with fruits, and I need to add the description, which is a text, fresh fruits from the garden. And I'll create the other items. And here we go. These are the 6 items that I need to add them to the item list. The third part that I need to initialize is the bridge, which is the adapter. So I need to create an instance from my custom adapter. and I need to pass the item list, which is the list that I added to it, the 6 items. Recycler view dot set adapter to adapter. And here we go. Save the project and run the application. And if we run, we can't see the items of the recycler view. Why? Because we need to add the linear layout manager that allows us to arrange and display items in a linear, vertically scrolling list. So the solution is in the next video.